that you have a conversation with yourself. Hello, Robala, today. Let's go na when you go to sleep today, have a conversation with yourself. Like Puti said, was Malema right? Talk to yourself. Make an intellectually informed decision. I came to sell the EFF manifesto. The choice is in your hands. Think of these children who go to school without shoes. Think of those who died in Marikana. Think of Andris Tatan who was killed looking for water. Think of the people of Mututlu. Think of the people of Relela. Think of those who continue to be killed when they are asking for life. I went to Marikana. I was in Marikana. I spoke to those people. I was there when the president passed them and he never spoke to them. I was there when they were asking for water. But Mr. Malema were asking for water. There is no one who gave us water after the shooting. I was there when they said to me, you are the first one to ask us a simple question. Are you okay? The president was not there to ask them if they were okay. The ministers were not there to ask them if they were okay. There was no counselor to ask them a simple question. Are you okay? They saw their friends dying. They were shot next to them. The man who was telling me the story next to the mountain says to me, I pretended like I was dead. And when they came, we ran away from the first scene where they killed people. We went behind the mountain. They came to the behind the mountain. I pretended like I'm dead, but I could hear my colleagues apologizing with their hands up. But sorry. They were screaming, but apologize. Police went to them and shot them on the head, one by one, at a close range. Please, when you vote on the 3rd of August, think of those people. Think about their children. Barkona, we demanded increase. Harner Kupa increase. CEO Argorona, you are not educated. Rargo CEO, we know we are not educated. That's why we want more money to take our children to school so that they are not like us. We want to build a roof over their head. I spoke to their wives. I know their wives. Bargona, Basadi Babona, sometimes during Easter, sometimes during December, Kinalutwa Kamontlu, Koyema, Kemeko Gating, because I've done this thing for the past 20 years with the hope Yarkitabona Twelela. Because every December, Unatwelela, Kadi 15, Umona Tlaela Kwa, Kinalutwa, and go and stand at the gate with the hope that I will see him coming. Think of those people. They were not killed by de Klerk. They were not killed by Porter. They were not killed by Fairfoot. They were not killed by Malan. There was no apartheid to kill them. Like Sharpeville, they were killed by their own government.